welcome to this HomeBuilder series of videos about common questions answered briefly. Today, we will be looking at adding a GL account to the chart of accounts and adding a cost detail code. From my system, you can see I've gone to the search bar at the top of the menu. I click into here and I start typing chart of accounts, and it brings me to the chart of accounts. I would like to add an expense account. So I'm going to scroll down to the income statement, and in here I can see that I've got some expense accounts, but I'm missing one. I'd like to add automotive expense. So I think I'm going to put it directly underneath marketing expenses. So I have some room, 50300, 50350. I'm going to make it 50310. I click new and I just start typing 50310. And I type in auto expenses. It is an income statement account. If I had been in the balance sheet, I should have set it to balance sheet. It's best if you give it a category and a subcategory, although you don't have to. And for this one, it's an expense. And the subcategory, hopefully I can find one that makes sense to me. And if I can't, I can always add a new one. But for me, look at this, I'm going to put it into vehicle expenses. And that's it. That's all I need to do. So I've created my GL account card. You'll notice that it is not indented to the same degree as the other ones. I'd like to indent it. I'm on the home button here. And if it's not showing you, just click on it and it will show you a few buttons underneath. I'm going to click indent chart of accounts. It gives a message. I've read the message 15 times. So there it is. It's now indented nicely. The GL account is now entered and available. The second thing I'm doing is adding a cost detail code. This is a bit like a subledger. I go up to the search bar again, I type cost details, I hit enter. And from this perspective, I think I'd like to add a new permit type. So in here, I've got one type of permit, I'm going to add a second one. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to drop it underneath this one. I've got some space here, so I'm going to make it 2015. So I'm going to type in 2015. It didn't matter that I'm not in order right now. The system will clear that up later. And I'm going to type in permits development. I'm going to make it part of the same group code as these permits here. And if I want to add a new group code, I can, but I don't need to in this particular situation. There you go. That's done. And just to demonstrate to you, if I click on the F5 button on my keyboard, it will refresh and realign things. This permit is now available for selection, and the dimension has been created in the background. Thanks for watching.